Number 1, solve the following system of linear equation using the elimination method. So you eliminate. So what you need to do is that you just choose any of two that you want to eliminate. So eliminate, that means you eliminate the variable. So choose the one which is easier for you to eliminate. So usually we take the one with the same with the same constant in front of variable. So you see here, this one is 5y, this one is 5y. So it will be easiest if you can eliminate 5y, because 5y minus 5y is equal to 0, right? So this one is negative. So basically 5y plus negative 5y is equal to 0. So we eliminate 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So this one you have 7x plus 5y minus 3z is equal to 16. So this one is 3x minus 5y plus 2z is equal to negative 8. So this one is the same constant, right? So to eliminate, how to eliminate 5, we can add. Why we add? Because positive 5 plus negative 5 is equal to 0. So we have to add everything. So 7 plus 3 is 10x. This one we get 0. Negative 3z plus 2z we get minus z. 16 minus negative 8. So 16 minus 8, 16 minus 8 we get 8. So this one is the this one is the third equation. So this one is the fourth equation. So we need another equation, because you see here, from the three equation here, from the three variable here, we get 2, right? So we have to find another variable to get 2 as well. So you see here, this one we eliminate y. So we have to find another 2 equation to eliminate y as well. So here, this one I do to eliminate y. So this one I do 1 and 2. So the second one you can choose to either do 1 or 3, 2 or 3. As long as it's not 1 and 2, because we have done this, right? So you can choose either you want to do which one is easy, 1 or 3 or 2 and 3. So it's basically the same thing, right? Because this one is 3y. So if I want to do 1 and 3, so 1 and 3 here. So 1 is 7x plus 5y minus 3z is equal to 16. And this one is 5x plus 3y minus 7z is equal to 0, right? Okay, so here to eliminate y, we know that the constant must be the same. So how to make the constant equal? So this one you can multiply with 3. Everything multiply with 3, you will get 15y. So this one, everything multiply with 5, you can. So 3 times 7 is 21x. 3 times 5y you get plus 15y. 3 times negative 3z you get negative 9z. You better put this. Okay, and this one is equal to 16 times 3 you get 48. So 5 times 5 is 25x. 5 times 3y you get 15y. 5 times negative 7 you get minus 35z is equal to 5 times 0 is 0 lah. So now you can eliminate y. So you see here you have positive. So to eliminate this, you must have one negative, right? 15 minus 15 is 0. So here, like I put this before, plus, right? So you can either minus below minus up, or up minus below minus up, or up minus below. Because as long as you minus, you can eliminate y. But then usually I like to minus when I get the positive value of the variable. So I want to do from below minus up. 25 minus 21 is 4x. This one is 0. So 35 minus 9 you get 27. But this one is negative, right? Negative minus. So here 15y minus 15y you get 0. So here negative 35 minus negative 9. Negative 35 plus 9 you get negative 26z. So 0 minus 48 is negative 48. So this is 5. So you can see that this one is x and z, this one is x and z. If we do elimination of these two, we can get one of the variable. So this one, then x minus z is equal to 8, and this one is 4x minus 26z is equal to negative 48. So to do elimination, so we have to make one of the constant of variable is equal. So this one I have z, so I want to just multiply this one with 26 so that I can get 26z, so I can eliminate z. So this one multiply with 26, so 10 times 26 you get 260x. So 26 times z minus 26z, 8 times 26 you get 208. Okay, so this one you have 4x minus 26z is equal to negative 48. So you want to eliminate z, right? You have negative, negative. So to eliminate this one, you have to put negative, right? Because negative 26 minus minus is plus 26x. So negative 26x plus 26x is equal to 0. So 260x minus x, we get 256x. So this one is 0. So 208 minus 48, you get 208 minus negative 48, you get 256 as well. So here 256x is equal to 256. So here x is equal to 256 divided by 256, which is equal to 1. So you get the value of x. So from one of the equation 4 or 5, you can get the value of z. So I want to use this one because your z is this one. So here you have 10x minus z is equal to 8. So z is equal to, right, change place, 10x minus 8, which is 10x is equal to 1 minus 8. So here you get 2. So we know that z is equal to 2. So this one, x is equal to 1 and then z is equal to 2. So here you can substitute any of 1 to 3 to get the value of y. Okay, so here so anyone that you wanted to use, or then with the easier y, so I think this is on the same. So only is 3, 5x plus 3y minus 7z is equal to 0. So here 3y is equal to, so I bring everything to the right. So 5x become negative 5x, negative 7z become 7, positive 7z. So negative 5x is equal to 1 and z is equal to 2. So here we get negative 5 plus 14. So here we get is equal to 9. So 3y is equal to 9. Y is equal to 9 divided by 3, which is equal to 3. So you know that your y is equal to 3. So to check if your answer is correct, you can just substitute in any of this equation. But you already use this one is number 5x. This one is number 3, right? So use other number 1 or 2 to check. So here, so you can just use any 1 or 2 to check, because this one already 3, right? So 1 or 2, so this one is if I use 7x plus 5y minus 3z is equal to 16. Okay, so this one is you are supposed to get this, but you try substitute with the value that you get. So 7y plus 5y is equal to 3 minus 3z is equal to 2. So here you get 7 plus 15 minus 6. So this one is 7 plus 15. You get 22 minus 6. So here you get 16. So this is correct. So the answer here is correct. So for B, so you see here, what can you eliminate? Which one will be easier for you to eliminate? So you see here z, y. But this one, okay, you can take, I just want to do 1 and 2. Because this one you have x, right? So here I want to eliminate x. So first you have 4x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 1. This one is x plus 3y minus 4z is equal to negative 7, right? So to eliminate x, the variable must be equal. So this one is 4, this one is x, so I multiply everything with 4. Okay, so this one is 4x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 1. This one is the first one just now. So this one, 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 3y, you get 12y. 4 times negative 4z, you get negative 16z is equal to 4 times negative 7 is negative 28. Okay, now you can eliminate x. So how to eliminate x? So if you minus 4x minus 4x, then you will get 0. So we have to minus. So you see here, you can choose to minus either up below the up minus down or down minus up. But here I want to minus this one minus up. Why? Because this one is positive. So I want to make it positive, right? So 12 minus 2, you get 14y. Negative 16 minus 3z, you get negative 19z. Negative 28 minus 1 is negative 29. So it doesn't matter if you want to minus up minus down or down minus up. Depends on you, as long as you minus. Why? Because you want to eliminate x. So 4 minus 4, you will get 0. You see here, your x is no longer here. Okay, so this one is equation 3. So this one is, we did it number 1 and 2, right? So this one is number 1 and 2. So choose another equation to do this elimination, but make sure it's not 1 and 2. So you can either do 2 or 3 or 1 and 3. Okay, so you want to do 1 and 3 or 2 and 3. So for me, I prefer to do 2 and 3. Why? Because I can, okay, so here, this one you eliminate x, right? So you have to find equation that eliminate the same variable. Eliminate same variable. So this one you already eliminate x. So now you want to eliminate x. So you want to choose the easiest for you to eliminate, except the combination of 1 and 2. So here I want to do 2 and 3. Why? Because my x here is 1. So it will be easier for you. You just have to multiply one equation. So I want to do 2 and 3. So I just make here 2 and 3. So here for 2 you have x plus 3y minus 4z is equal to negative 7. So here you have 3x plus y plus 2z is equal to 5, right? So to eliminate x, you see here this one is 3x, this one is x. So I just have to multiply this one with 3 so that I can make the x equal. So here from 2 and 3 just now, 3 times x is 3x, 3 times x is 3x, 3 times 3y is 9y, 3 times negative 4z is negative 12z is equal to 3 times negative 7 is negative 21. So this one is 3x, this one is 9y, this one is plus. So 3x plus y plus 2z is equal to 5. So here you can eliminate x by minus the equation, right? So 3x minus 3x is 0. So 3x minus x is 0. Okay, and then 9y plus 9y minus y, you get 8y. Negative 12z minus 2z, you get minus 14z is equal to negative 21 minus 5, you get negative 26. So you can make this smaller. So divide by 2, you get 4y minus 7z is equal to negative 26 divided by 2, you get negative 13. So this one is 4, this one is 5. So you see here you have two variables here and you have two variables here. So if you use these two equations, then you will get two variables only. So here you have 4y minus 7z is equal to negative 13. So this one I have 14y minus 19z is equal to negative 29. So here you have to make the variable equal so that you can eliminate. So you see here from 4 and 14 I can do the lowest common multiple. So this one you get 2, you can divide with 2, right? So this one is 2, this one is 7. So this one you can divide with 2, 7 cannot divide, go back. So this one is 7, so 1, 1. So 2 times 2 times 7 is 28. So this one is the lowest common multiple. So I can make y equal by making it into 28. So to get 28, so 4 times 7 you get 28, 14 times 2 you get 28. So here 7 times 4 you get 28y, 7 times negative 7 you get minus 49z. So this one is 13 times 7 you get 91. So this one is negative 91. So this one 2 times 14 is 28y, 2 times negative 19 is negative 38z, right? So this one is 2 times negative 29, you get negative 58. Okay, so you see here, now you can eliminate y, right? So you have to minus to eliminate y. So you can choose to minus from below to up or up to below. But you see here, this one is negative, a larger one. So if I minus below minus up, I can get this one to be positive. So here, this one 28 minus 28 is 0. Okay, so here negative 38 plus 49 y plus, because this one is, you see here, this one is negative, minus become positive, so here you get plus z is equal to, so here negative 58 minus negative 99, negative 58 plus 91, so here you get 33. So 11z is equal to 33. So z is equal to 33 divided by 11, so here you get 3. So here z is equal to 3. So you see here, you get the value of z. So using equation, you see here the one with only z and y, we can get y. So you can choose to use 3 or 5 to get the value of y. Okay, so here you have, okay, so you can choose this one or this one, but if I choose, you can choose any of this one to get the value of y, because this one you have y and z. So when we know the value of z, we can get the value of y. So I want to use number 5. Depends on you, but because I see that the value of z here is smaller, so I don't have to multiply to get a large number. So this one is 4y minus 7z is equal to negative 13, right? So 4y is equal to negative 13. You bring to the other side, you get positive 7z. So y is equal to negative 13 plus 7, z we get 3 divided by 4. So just use your calculator. So this one is negative 13 plus 21. So this one you get which is equal to negative 13 plus 21, you get 8 divided by 4. This one is equal to 2. So this one, you know that z is equal to 3 and then y is equal to 2. Okay, so you have these two variables, so you can use any of 1 to 3 to get the value of x. So just choose any of 1 to 3. So if I want to use 2, so x plus 3y minus 4z is equal to negative 7. I want to find x, right? Why I use 2? Because this one x is just x. So x is equal to negative 7 minus 3y, bring to the other side, become negative. This one bring to the other side, become positive for z. So this one is negative 7 minus 3, y is 2, z is equal to 3. So here you get negative 7 minus 6 plus 12. This one is negative 13 plus 12, you get negative 1. So your x is equal to negative 1. So this one, I use number 2, right? So you have to check. I mean, you don't have to check, but then if you want to make sure that your answer is correct, just check using any of, this one is number 2. I need one of 3 to check if you get the same answer. So if I use 1, this one is just to check, but your answer can be up until here. So 4x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 1. This one is supposed to get, you are supposed to get 1 when you substitute. So we try to substitute with our value. X is equal to negative 1 minus 2, y is equal to 2, plus z is equal to 3. So this one is negative 4 minus 4 plus 9, So this one is negative 8 plus 9 is equal to 1. So you can see that when you substitute, you are supposed to get 1 and you get 1, then the answer is correct.